Welcome. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add and subtract like fractions. So we're going to start with addition. So first of all, let me tell you what a like fraction looks like. Like fractions are fractions that look like this. The denominator and denominator on both fractions are always going to be the same. So 5 has to be here and 5 has to be on the denominator of the other fraction. So these are called like fractions. Of course, the numerator can be different or the same, but the main quality of like fractions is that they have the same denominator always. So let me give you an example of something that is unlike fraction. So an unlike fraction is going to be like this: 7/3 plus 1/2. What's the difference between this one, this here and this here? Well, here we have a 2 and a 3, which is not the same, but here they are the same. So that's the difference. All right, so now knowing the fact what is a like fraction, let's start with our problem. This can be extended to an answer that is negative or a positive, but here we're going to look at positive answers. So we're going to start with 1/4 plus 1/4. Okay, so the way you do it is as follows. The answer to your the answer is going to have the same denominator, which is 4, and then you add the numerators. So from both fractions, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Sometimes you're gonna be told to simplify your answer, and that's what we're gonna do in this video. We're gonna simplify each answer, so that way we'll get the final like a better answer, a simplified answer. The way you do it, for example, here we have 2 even numbers. So 2 even numbers are divided by 2. Sometimes you can divide by even higher powers of 2. But in this case, to make it easier, we're just going to divide by 2 on top and bottom. So if I divide 2 by 2, I get 1. And if I divide 4 divided by 2, I get 2. So the answer is 1/2. So the simplified answer to this problem is 1/2. But the initial answer that we got is 2/4. But like I said, most likely they will ask you to simplify your answer. So you're gonna have to present 1/2. All right, so let's look at another one. So 2/3 plus 5/5. So a simplified answer is something that you cannot divide top and bottom by a number. Let's look at this example. So so this is gonna be equal to, let's make it 3 and 3. Okay, so answer is gonna have 3, like I said, the same denominator, and then you add the numerator. So 2 plus 5 is 7. Can you divide top and bottom by a number and get a simplified version of the fraction of the answer? No, because this is 7, this is 3, so they're not divisible by any number other than 1. So we're gonna keep it that way. So this is your simplified answer, 7/3. Let's look at a couple more for addition. So 4/5 plus 4/5. Okay, so this one, okay, same denominator, 5. Then 4 plus 4 is 8. So 8/5. This is an even number and an odd number, so they cannot be divided by any number and get a simplified version. So this would be your final answer. Let's look at one more. 3 plus 3 and denominator 5. Okay, so you add same denominator, 3 plus 3, 6. Even number, odd number, can you divide by a number in this case? Nope. So this will be your final answer. And the last one for addition is that I'm gonna present to you is gonna be equal to a plus 2 over 20 and 20. Like I said, like fractions, answer is gonna be 20 on the bottom, and then you add the top. So a plus 2 is 10. In this case, even number, you can divide by 2 or you can divide. So I'm gonna present to you two cases where you divide by 2, and which is still right. You divide by 2, divide by 2. So top is equal to 10 divided by 2, that's 5. And then 20 divided by 2 is 10. Here you have 5 and 10. They're both divisible by 5. So you can divide by 5, top and bottom. So that's going to be equal to 5 divided by 5 is 1. And 10 divided by 5 is 2. So final answer is 1/2. Sometimes when you start getting used to it, you can divide by higher powers. You know, like for example, 10 over 20, which is our answer. We can divide it by 10, top and bottom, because 10 is divisible by 10 and 20 is divisible by 10. So 10 divided by 10 is 1 and 20 divided by 10 is 2. Same answer as before. So this is faster because you don't have to divide multiple times. But when you start getting used to, you'll be able to look at these problems and find out that you can actually get ahead when you start dividing by higher, larger numbers, larger multiples, larger factors. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so now we're gonna do subtraction. Okay, so the first example, so subtraction is just like addition. The only difference is that you're going to subtract the numerators. So let's start with 1. 1/2 minus 1/2. Okay, just like addition, your answer is gonna same denominator, 2, and then you subtract the left. You subtract the right from the left. Okay, so 1 minus 1 is 0. So this would be your final answer. But you can simplify this because 0 over 2, 0 over any number is always 0. So this will be your simplified answer. All right. So let's start with more. Okay, so that would be 4 minus 5 minus 2 over 5. Answer, same denominator, 5. Then 4 minus 2, that's 2. Can you simplify this? No, because 2 is even and 5 is odd, and they don't have a common factor. So they're not divisible by another number. So this is your final answer. Let's look at this one. 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3. So same denominator, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. Final answer. You cannot simplify. Let's look at this one. 6 minus 4, and then denominators are 4. Same thing, we have like fractions, 4 and 4. Okay, so same denominator, 4. 6 minus 4, 2. And then you can divide by 2, top and bottom, to get a simplified answer. So 2 divided by 2, 1. 4 divided by 2, 2. So the answer is 1/2. Okay. And the last problem I'm going to talk about is going to be this one. 9 over 4 minus 3 over 4. Okay, same denominator, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. Okay, this is these two numbers are divisible by 2, so I'm gonna divide top and bottom by 2. Okay, so 6 divided by 2, 3. 4 divided by 2, 2. So final answer is 3 over 2 because it cannot be simplified. So this is what we do when we have like fractions. Other videos I'm gonna show you how to do unlike fractions and mixed numbers, mixed fractions. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you very much.